Welcome to 140 Alder Place in the Town of Vulcan. Now this bungalow was built in the year 2000 and it's just over 1,400 square feet in size. You see stucco siding, some stone trim. Stepping in, we've got a closet here and open living room with bay window, natural gas fireplace, carpeted flooring in the living room. Nice big open area for the family. Yeah, and there's a security system. I think we need to replace the batteries on those. So here's the kitchen. Fridge, stove, built-in dishwasher. Nice view out onto the street and the backyard. We're in the Allen Acre subdivision in Vulcan here, so it's a established single-family area of town. It's got a little breakfast nook here, dining area. Off the dining area, there's the patio. French doors off to the back deck. Nice pergola here. Big fenced yard. See garden shed in the back. Planters. I'll take you back inside. Now there's 3 bedrooms on the main level. There's a smaller bedroom right here. Closet, built-in shelving. Carpeted floor. Full bathroom. Second bedroom. You've got a closet, laundry room, and this door takes us out to the heated attached double car garage. See radiant heat. Then we'll go back inside. And we'll go into the master bedroom. Good sized master bedroom. Closets here. Notice the owners have most of their stuff out, just finishing up the final touches. Getting things out of here. And you've got a full ensuite. Low flow toilet, separate shower, and jetted tub. we'll take you down to the basement. Carpet down the stairs. You've got a big family room down off to the left. Natural gas fireplace. And over here is kind of a den. Could be a sewing room, office area. More open living area here. Furnace. Utility room. There's a freezer. Another full bathroom. Which is handy down here because you've got 2 more full bedrooms. Now these are very spacious bedrooms down here, and what's unique about them is they both have walk-in closets. So you got lots of room down here. Great if you've got teenagers or just people with lots of stuff. And the second bedroom down here, which was used as kind of an exercise room. Another walk-in closet. See, this house has lots of room. Great for a family. Nice big fenced yard for the kids. And it's located easily within walking distance to the high school, within walking distance to the elementary school, recreational facilities, ballparks. Golf is not that far away either. So if you're at all interested in this property or any other of our properties, you can visit us on our website at www.magnusonrealty.com, or you can give me a call on my cell at 403-485-6901. Or sorry, that's our office. On my cell is 403-633-2222. Thanks for joining me today. Stay safe and stay healthy.